What happened today wasn't even funny. So I have my PowerMac G5 here, right? And I was using it last night and it was going well. I was transferring some files from my iMac to a G5 using FireWire. What I'd done was I used the I put the PowerMac in target disk mode and transferred some files over. Anyway, this morning when I went to turn my PowerMac on to do my normal Facebook routine, it didn't want to load off the hard drive. Now this is the main hard drive. I have two in here. One's the master and the other is the slave. I use the slave as a backup, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Anyway, this drive wasn't spinning up and I was like, what the hell? So, took it apart, the computer apart, took the hard drive out, tested it in a portable dock that I have for the hard drive, and it did not power up. So, I don't know, maybe stuck motor, maybe? Not too sure. Or whatever it was, I got really annoyed. I was so annoyed. This morning I was like putting everyone in a bad mood, blah blah blah. Anyway, I was like, I need to get another hard drive, oh my god. And to be honest, this has leopard on it. Oh, it was supposed to have leopard on it. I mean, 10.4 is not supported anymore, and leopard's hardly supported. But, I mean, you can't really run Tiger on this anymore. But I have to roll back to Tiger just to use it, which is like kind of a pain. But anyway, so I was like, I need to find another hard drive. My dad said, well, today, maybe when you come to my work, you can ask John if he would give you one. I was like, okay. Because I'm doing some extra work experience at my dad's work, yada yada yada. Anyway, so just walk around doing some work, and I asked him, and I said, do you have any spare hard drives going? And he said, why? And I said, well, this morning my PowerMac's hard drive just failed, and I need it because I don't have my MacBook. And he was like, yeah, sure, just grab one out of the box. And funny enough, I grabbed out a 160GB hard drive. I think it was 72,000 RPM or whatever, however fast it is. Very speedy drive. And I said, can I take this? And he said, let me see if it works. So he plugged it in, and he tested it, and yes, it works. I was like, do you mind if I take it? And he said, yeah. And I said to him, I said, let me pay you. And he said to me, no, it'll be fine. And I said, are you sure? And he said, yes. So I said, okay, thank you so much. And took the drive home. I've literally just popped it in my PowerMac. Bloody pain in the arse to take out the old one though, because I have two hard drives in here, and this disc is not booting up. Oh, is it damaged? I really hope it isn't, because I don't think I have any other copies. And I tried to format it on this first by FireWire, but the iMac's playing up also, so. So, I don't know. I'm going to try and clean this 10.4 disc that I have. And we shall see. Because I know for a fact that that hard drive does work. It came out of a Windows machine. But literally, seriously, it's the exact same spec as the other hard drive, apart from the RPM is much more faster. And I think it has a much more better read and write speed as well. Not too sure. Let's just see if it ejects it, so I can take it out and give it a good clean. Come on. Right, I'm going to go and give it a clean, and I'll be back from giving the disc a wash. And the computer's now started to do a fan thing. I don't know what that means, but we're going to see if this disc works. I don't want to push it in, but it's not really, the eject button is not rejecting, or, yeah, in that term anyway. Let's see. Bloody hell, can I restart this? I don't want to really hear that. really don't know what that was. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. What's happening? What's happening? Ooh. Something appears to be happening. Oh, screens have flashed. Oh my god. Nothing. Blank screen. Question mark. Seems to be loading. That's it. Oh my god, look at that. Well, let's now see if it boots. I'll be back in a second. Million years. It's now and the cat's climbing up my back. Brilliant. After 1 million years, it has started to load up the menus. The language menu. You can't bloody see, can you? There we go. Fantastic. English. Tiger, better be damn fast on this. I'm telling you right now. Oh god. See, I really don't want to install Tiger, but I can't install anything else. Linux distribution is just not going to help. It's not going to really work with me. God, I really do hate Linux. Well, I don't hate Linux, but bloody hell. The only copy of Linux that I've ever used is the one that came on a Raspberry Pi. I can't even remember what that's called. Raspberry and whatever. But oh. Here we are. It's loading up. Getting disk information. Ooh. Ah, and it's picked up 2 disks. One of them is backup, and this one is the main. This is the one that we're going to be erasing. Let's call it Macintosh HD. Macintosh HD. And make sure that I'm not going to really, because I've already done 0 out data. So I just don't have like other people's stuff on my things. I always do that whenever I get a hard drive. I always stick it out on a 35 pass, and I let it just do its stuff. Here we are. Yeah, I'm holding the camera at an angle so I can actually see what I'm doing myself. Install! And it won't install on this because it can't start up, which doesn't make any sense. Right, let's just select what we're going to install. Install Mac OS X, yes. Go. Customize. Printer drivers, really? I don't know. Additional fonts, no. Language, no. Uninstall X11. Let's see what printers they have. Probably all the printers that they bloody have are out of date, so no. Now, hopefully this doesn't do the same thing that it used to do on my my PowerMac G3, which was if you have over like I think 128 megabytes of RAM, the installation just stops and then it just freezes and then fails. Better not bloody do this, or better not bloody do the same. Hopefully it doesn't. So I'm gonna let it install, and once it does all of its whatever, then I'll come back to it. But until then, guys, alright, 1 second. I'll just yep. It's been about 15 to 10 minutes later, and OS X, I don't know if it's installed, probably not. Because of a problem installing Mac OS X could not be completed. Oh yes. Probably because I have a dodgy disk. So what, did it not install? Let's look at the install log. View log. Right. Yes. I don't know. Show errors. What are these? All the errors, really? Bloody! I don't even know what all of that means. But yes. So I'm now going to have to find yet another bloody disc. I don't even think I have another disc. Jesus Christ. Right, yes. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to comment, rate, subscribe. Oh god, I need to sort this out before I go back to school, because I need this. Thank you guys for watching this. Ta-ta for now.